Welcome to English through Book Ideas. Learn English, grow your mind.
What are you doing these days? Are you studying? Are you working? Are you learning something new?
Maybe you are taking English, math, psychology, or marketing this semester.
In today's lesson, you will learn how to ask about activities happening now, around now, or during this period of time.
And you will learn how to answer naturally using simple English.
Welcome back to English Through Book Ideas. Today's topic is, what are you doing?
Today's speaking goal is simple. Ask and answer questions about what people are doing these days.
Not only right now, like at this second, but also around this time in life.
For example, if I ask, what are you doing these days? I might mean, what are you studying? What are you working on? What is happening in your life now?
You can answer, I'm taking English this semester, or I'm studying economics these days.
By the end of this video, you will be able to ask questions like, what are you doing these days? Are you taking math this semester? Are you doing anything interesting in your classes?
And you will be able to answer with confidence.
Our main phrase today is, what are you doing?
This question can have two common meanings.
Meaning number one, what are you doing right now? For example, I'm reading, I'm studying, I'm watching a video.
Meaning number two, what are you doing these days? This means, what activities are you doing around this time?
For example, I'm taking history this semester, I'm learning management, I'm studying English in the evenings.
So listen carefully to the time words. Right now, these days, this semester, this week.
These words help you understand the real meaning of the question.
Let's start with a short dialogue. Listen first.
Hey David, what are you doing these days?
I'm taking a few classes this semester.
Really? What classes are you taking?
I'm taking statistics, English, and psychology.
Nice. Are you doing anything interesting in your classes?
Yes, in psychology, we're learning about stress and motivation.
That sounds useful.
It is. What about you? Are you taking math this semester?
Yes, I am. I'm also taking literature and sociology.
Wow, that sounds busy.
It is, but I'm enjoying it.
Now let's break it down.
The question was, what are you doing these days?
This question asks about your current activities in your life.
You can answer with, I'm taking plus a class.
I'm taking English, I'm taking math, I'm taking economics.
You can also say, I'm studying plus a subject.
I'm studying history, I'm studying management, I'm studying sociology.
Both are natural. I'm taking a class means you are enrolled in the class. I'm studying a subject means you are learning that subject.
For school or university, both can work. Let's practice the question again. What are you doing these days?
What are you doing these days?
Good. Now answer, I'm taking English this semester.
I'm taking English this semester.
I'm studying economics these days.
I'm studying economics these days.
I'm learning about marketing in my class.
I'm learning about marketing in my class.
Great. Notice the verb form am taking, am studying, am learning.
We use be plus verb ing to talk about ongoing activities.
Now let's learn another useful question. Are you taking math this semester?
This is a yes or no question.
You can answer, yes I am. I'm taking math this semester.
Or, no I'm not. I'm taking statistics this semester.
Let's hear a mini dialogue.
Are you taking math this semester?
No, I'm not. I'm taking statistics.
Is statistics difficult?
A little, but it's interesting.
Nice. I'm taking math and it's difficult too.
Let's use more school subjects.
What are you doing these days?
I'm studying history.
Are you taking literature this semester?
Yes, I am. We're reading short stories.
Are you doing anything interesting in your classes?
Yes, in sociology, we're talking about family and culture.
That sounds interesting.
What about you?
I'm taking marketing and management. We're working on a business project.
That sounds practical. Now, let's look at the language booster question. Are you doing anything interesting in your classes?
This is a great follow-up question.
A follow-up question keeps the conversation going.
If someone says, "I'm taking psychology," you can ask, "Are you doing anything interesting in your classes?"
They might answer, yes, we're learning about meditation and stress.
Or, "Yes, we're doing a group project."
Or, yes, we're reading a famous book in literature.
This question sounds friendly and curious.
Let's talk about a common mistake.
Some learners say, "What you are doing."
That is not correct for a question.
Say, "What are you doing?"
The verb are comes before you in the question.
Not, "What you are doing."
Say, what are you doing?
Another mistake is, "I taking English."
We need be plus verb ing. I am taking English. Or naturally, I'm taking English.
So, remember, what are you doing? I'm taking English.
Let's practice with Julia. I will ask, and Julia will answer.
I'm ready.
What are you doing these days?
I'm taking English and psychology this semester.
Are you taking math this semester?
No, I'm not. I'm taking statistics.
Are you doing anything interesting in your classes?
Yes, in psychology, we're learning about meditation and stress.
What kind of meditation is she learning?
She's learning breathing meditation.
Great. This is a good way to give more detail. Now it's your turn. Answer out loud after each question.
Question 1. What are you doing these days?
You can say, I'm taking English this semester.
Or, I'm studying management these days.
Question 2, are you taking math this semester?
You can answer, yes, I am, or no, I'm not. I'm taking statistics.
Question 3, are you doing anything interesting in your classes?
You can say, yes, we're doing a group project, or yes, we're learning about marketing.
Excellent. Practice makes your English faster and more natural. Let's review today's lesson.
Our main question was, what are you doing?
With right now, it asks about this moment. What are you doing right now?
With these days, it asks about your current life or activities. What are you doing these days?
Useful answers include, I'm taking English, I'm studying economics, I'm learning about psychology.
Useful follow-up questions include, are you taking math this semester? Are you doing anything interesting in your classes?
And remember the common mistake, not what you are doing. Say, what are you doing?
Say, what are you doing?
Now here is your mini speaking challenge.
In the comments, write 3 sentences.
Sentence 1, I'm taking blank this semester.
Sentence 2, I'm studying blank these days.
Sentence 3, in my class, we're learning about blank.
You can use English, math, literature, history, psychology, economics, management, sociology, marketing, or statistics.
If this lesson helped you, like the video and subscribe to English Through Book Ideas.
Keep practicing one simple conversation at a time.
Thanks for watching.
See you in the next lesson.